In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at words which have more than one syllable. Can you remember what a syllable is? I've given you a little bit of a clue there with my clapping. What's a syllable? So syllables are like the chunks of sound that make up a word. So the word seahorse, sea-horse, how many syllables does that have? Seahorse. Two syllables. And the word starfish, starfish. 2 syllables again. What about the word sea dragons? Sea dragons. Sea dragons have 3 syllables. So for today, you've got 2 sheets. One sheet has got words which have 2 syllables in, and one sheet has got words that have 3 syllables in. If you don't have a printer, it's absolutely fine. You can write these words onto pieces of paper, but if you do, print these out, and can you cut them all out? I'm going to cut out this one first. And before we look at the syllables, should we see if we can put the sound buttons in this word? Can you see if you can put the sound buttons into this word? Ready? S, I, x, ts. Ooh, what would go under here? Fantastic, a line, because it's a digraph. There we go. Let's sound it out. S, I, x, 6, ts, I, n. What's the word? 16. Now 16 has 2 syllables in this word. Where would I cut this piece of paper to show the 2 syllables? I would cut it here. Ready? 16. 16. 2 syllables. I'm going to show you a 3-syllable one now. This one. Can you see if you can read this word? And also see if you can put the sound buttons in. Remember to break it up if it looks a little bit tricky to read. Right, I'm going to need your help for this one. Sound buttons, here we go. U, E, M, O, N. Oh, I'm going to move that one. Ah, can you see what I would need to put here? What would that be? A split digraph. Look, it's split digraph A. L, E, M, lem, O, N, on, lemon, A, D. Lemonade. Who likes lemonade? Now remember, this word has not got 1 syllable, not got 2, it's got 3. Where shall I cut it to make my 3 syllables? Let's look at this word carefully. I know, you could shout stop when my scissors get to the right point to cut. Ready? Make sure you're watching. Yeah, fantastic. Stop. There we go. Now I've broken up my word into its 3 syllables, into its 3 sounds. Lem, on, aid. And what does it say? Lemonade. It's your turn now to cut these out and see if you can cut them in the correct place to demonstrate where the syllables are. I've just realised when you've done that, you could also have a lot of fun with this. You could cut up the words like I have, and then you could mix them up to make really silly words. I'm going to cut up this word, popcorn, popcorn. Look, let's swap it over. Kangaroo. Look what word I've made now. A fake word, an alien word. Kang, ga, corn. Kangacorn. Not even a real word. What other silly words could you make with it? Well, you're probably all going to make silly words now and not do this properly. Please make sure you do the learning before you make up silly words. I'm going to show you one more. Look at this one. Another 3-syllable word. Die. No. Saw. What do we think? Dinosaur. 3 syllables. Here's a challenge. Can you think of a word that has 4 syllables? An even bigger challenge. Can you think of a word that has 5 syllables? And I think I've recorded that lesson just in time because the light's disappearing. Have fun with that lesson today. I look forward to seeing all your syllable puzzles.